Subscribe to Tech Conclusion channel and press the bell icon to get notified about every new technology videos.
Welcome guys, welcome to Tech Conclusion channel. So if you're buying a Oppo K1, so don't buy the Oppo K1 before seeing this video. In this video I will be going to talk about the 10 features of Oppo K1. So let's get started. Hello guys, and this is Shashank HR from Tech Conclusion. So Oppo K1 is one of the budget range smartphones available right now. It has been launched in the February month and the sale is started today at 12 p.m. on Flipkart. I will be giving you the link in the description so you can go and check out there. So when it comes to the first thing, it comes with Snapdragon 660E. The mobile runs with Snapdragon processor. That's good at this price. And the major thing which is it comes with in-display fingerprint sensor. It's very nice at this price. When it comes to the RAM and ROM, it comes with 4GB RAM with 64GB internal memory, which can expandable up to 256GB. That's good. When it comes to the rear cameras, the primary camera comes with 16 megapixel and in the secondary camera comes with 2 megapixel. Totally it has 18 megapixel. And when it comes to the front camera, it comes up with a 25 megapixel artificial intelligence sensor, which is very good for selfies. And when it comes to the screen, it comes with full HD screen AMOLED display with 6.4 inches, about 90 plus ratio, body to screen ratio is above 90%. And then it comes, the mobile is with a water drop display notch. It's very unique at these times. The unique feature is one of the water drop notch, and it's cost you around 16,990 rupees. I have given the link, so don't forget to buy from that link. And the next thing is comes with two variant colors. It is piano black and astral blue. The different kind of combination of blue and purple pinkish color on the astral blue, and it's overall it has very unique feature. I think this mobile is covered up with best budget category, and the Oppo has come up with one of the best budget phone in February. So hope you guys like this video. So don't forget to subscribe and share and like this video. It's motivate me to make videos for you. So that's it for today guys. Meet you on the next video. Till there, take care. Bye bye.